Intelligent solar street light. This thing is supposed to be a street light. I'm gonna use this in my backyard and trying to light this thing up. Maybe play some basketball at night. This thing is what you call intelligent. It has a sensor. It has a remote with time adjustment and brightness adjustment on and off. Remote on a street light. Came with some very heavy mounting hardware, so this thing is pretty serious, pretty heavy. This is the instruction manual. Remote mounting brackets. So I don't know, who needs a manual? Let's take a look at this thing. Look at the solar panel. This thing's pretty big. This thing measures at least about 14 inches by a good 8 inches. It's quite big, really quite big. The build quality of this thing is sturdy. Metal bracket here, really heavy. And the light itself is on the bottom. This is the light, the LED light. It looks, these lights are very bright. And a sensor that can pick up movements. Or, again, you can use the remote. So, we'll see how bright this thing is after I get this thing charged up. So I'm going to put it in the sunlight and get this panel charged up. So we'll check back with the brightness and everything else. See you. And I forgot to mention, this thing has a 10,000 milliamp battery built in. So here it is, a little more than 10,000. That's a huge battery, so it might work. It actually will work. It says it will work from dawn to dusk, so it will stay on. Now there are some sensor motion as well as it can stay on throughout the night if you set the if you push the button correctly. So we'll have to see after I put it up. So that was tough work. Finally got it mounted up there. So that's a scary climb up there, very high. This will get my whole backyard. What we're gonna get. That's at full brightness, I believe. Half, full, dimmer, brighter. Look at this. My shadow. Pretty bright. Very good.